Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a new release from LTL Printhouse. These items released today. So if you're interested in purchasing, I will have their Etsy shop linked down in the description. And also I'm going to do a plan with me so you can see how these stickers will work in a spread. But I'm first going to flip through these and show you the sheets that are going to be available. It's a spring theme, as you can see, with some gorgeous florals, and I love the colors, so pretty. So we got Hello Spring. These are paper stickers here. Look at all those pretty florals, so cute. And then you do have a version of just like the line art, the black and white version here. So there's those two sheets, really nice. Next we have a quote sheet. Here comes the sun, beauty is all around, stop and smell the flowers bloom. It's a good day to have a good day. So there's that sheet of stickers and the quotes. Then we get more of the lined art florals here. And then you also have a version of them in the color. So you can pick and choose which ones you like, black and white or the colored. But yeah, look how pretty those are. Now some boxes. These are all black. Little decor on a couple of them or a few of them. Nice variety of boxes. I like the little oval shape. That's cute. And then there's an option for color on this one in those nice spring colors. Very pretty. And then we have some like washi stickers. So the floral patterns here, there's a nice little stripe one, Hello Spring. This one's a nice quote one, live in full bloom, repeated. And then another patterned one in the black and white. Okay, so these are gonna be available to purchase today, so definitely check it out. Again, I'll have it linked down in the description. But now I'm gonna just do a little quick plan with me. So yeah, let me get my papers so I can get that started. So I'm going to try these in a Simply layout. I don't think I've ever used LTL Printhouse stickers in a Simply layout, but I think this will work out very nicely. And also I really like the size of these. I like the colored ones. So I'm going to use this one kind of here, going up. Nice little list. And then let's do the black and white ones to kind of do like a mixture of them here. Okay, definitely want to get some of these florals down too. So that's nice because you still write in here if you like using this functionally. Let's do one here. Need some more color on the page. I love these spring colors. Okay. I feel like I should get another box on the page too. Maybe here, kind of layered. Okay. All right, more florals because the florals are really pretty. This one's cute. It's like a little bouquet. Oh, and also the washi. I actually really like this, the long strips. It's kind of like a quote. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. Oh, there's actually, I also have quotes too. Let's see what else I got. Let's do these. Let's do bloom. Okay, let's add some more florals. Oh, this one's different. Oops, almost ripped it. Okay, let's do some here. Cut this off and this. Okay, I feel like I need more black on this spread. So let me get a little black box, maybe. I just don't want it to be like identical to this one. I guess it's going to be identical. Let's see. Yeah. I don't like that it's like the same right on top of each other. Just like one of my things. Just don't like that. Okay, so maybe I'll just do a colored box instead. Do this pink one here. Okay. Cute, cute. I'm going to add some more of these. Kind of like a little garden on the bottom, which is cute. Okay. And let's do this Hello Spring. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, I knew that was going to come together pretty quick. But that's going to be my spread featuring these new spring stickers from LTL Printhouse. Came out really cute. And I love this layout. So again, this layout, it's the Simply layout, and it's simple and like for planning, but also I feel also simple for decorating, super quick decorating. But yeah, a little goes a long way, which is nice. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, these are going to be linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing from LTL Printhouse. Really pretty floral stickers there, and there's a bunch of other options too on that site, so definitely check it out. But yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.